what's up? Alright, let's replace some Airsoft. I got some good guns on here now. My first ever video on the Airsoft. I've unlocked a lot of guns, but I don't know which map we're in, so I have to see what gun I'm gonna get. But first, I'm probably just gonna start off with the AK-47. The background noise is my unarmed freaking Mortal Kombat 7. Yeah, oh yeah, this is the right map for this gun. How did I die? Like, as soon as I get in, I die. Like, that. Alright, there you go. How am I dying, bro? I'm selling when I start making videos, bro. When I started making videos, I started selling, bro. What the heck? Okay, I might use my other gun. So I just unlocked. Yeah, give me the other gun. I need the other gun right now. Let me get the Uzi out. The Uzi. Yeah, let me get the Uzi out. Yep. There's another gun I got. Hit. The AK-47 is the one I use for this map. But for some reason I'm freaking selling right now. So I got the camera on. But the Uzi is working right now. You can go. I hate they need to fix this, bro. Somebody, whoever knows the person who made this dang on game, tell them to fix the blue. Who freaks giving care about them having time to have safety, bro? Alright. Gotta do something. Somebody texted me. Yeah. Alright. Bro, what the freak? How are they already winning, bro? Give me a kill. Give me a kill on one of these niggas. Oh my god. Nah, I think I'm gonna have to use my favorite gun. I think I'm gonna have to use this gun. Why do I keep customizing it? I can't customize it. I ain't got no kills on it. Oh yeah. All I really gotta do is go right here and just snipe it.
You are able.
Alright, I missed.
I have no doubt that you will die here.
Oh my god. I just wanted it right there. Okay. Yeah, I like this gun. It's a Glock 19X. Right on the side. Oh, took him. I took his body. I just took his body, boys. Ooh! That should have been a headshot. What are we doing to him? How did he get defeated that fast? Well, I just won it, so I ain't made that much money for this round. I like this round. I like this map better because I can get like more kills and stuff in this one. Because all the other ones, nah. I get kills in them, but like it's too many places to hide, and then niggas be all everywhere. Y'all gonna like this gun right here. Yeah, y'all gonna like this. How we already everywhere? And I also like this, the second method, because of what you can do in them. You can make like free money without shooting people. It's only gonna make you like 40. I need to change this gun. The Glock 19. I don't think this one is my match either, bro. Bro, that. Stupid stuff. These niggas right here are stupid. It's not my match, bro. I hate this map also. Cause I think this is the Uzi. I need to use the Uzi on this one. Yeah, give me the Uzi. I need the Uzi. No! No! Ah! I need the Uzi, bro. Give me the Uzi. I got a better. This thing needs some heavier bees in here, bro. Did that do it? Did that do it? Bacon? I'm sorry. Oh my god, the bacon did not die. What? Like, I was shooting that dude. Where's the free? Oh, this. That should have been 2 straight headshots. This game is cheating like free. That should have been 2 headshots right there. Cause I had the laser right dead on his head. The BBs like to go down, so I shoot up a little bit more. But it looks like that's not helping me in this one. Man, that's the end, bro. I lost all my matches, but I'm gonna be back tomorrow.